Hi, I'm Travis, and you're watching Golden Blue Barbecue. So if you've never seen the Ninja Foodi, this thing acts as an air fryer, a pressure cooker, and a slow cooker all in one vessel. And today we're going to show you how to make hard-boiled eggs in this with perfect peel-off shells that you won't fight. The best part is, this only takes about 10 minutes to do, and you can have peeled hard-boiled eggs in about 15 minutes. In order to do this, what you need is a Ninja Foodi, the pressure lid. We're going to do a dozen eggs, so we have a dozen eggs here. These have not been aged, these are brand new from the store. A cup and a half of cold water. The rack that comes with your Ninja Foodi. A pair of tongs, and a bowl of ice water. So the first step, we're going to go ahead and open the lid, place the rack. I like to place my rack with the shorter side down. Place the rack in here, take your cup and a half of cold water, and pour it right in. After that, we're going to take our eggs, and we're going to place the eggs in here one by one. Just kind of spread them out a little bit. Once you do that, we're going to take our pressure lid and put our pressure lid on the Ninja Foodi. You want to make sure that we are set to the seal, not the vent. Seal side on the Foodi. Once we have our lid on and our seal set to seal, we're going to turn our unit on. We are going to press pressure twice so that we have high, and we are going to adjust our cook time to 7 minutes. Once we have that, we're going to press start. This is going to start heating up and pressurizing, and that countdown won't actually start until the vessel gets at the high pressure. Alright, so it's been 7 minutes on the timer. What we're going to do, and this is where you want to get your tongs, we're going to take the switch up here from seal to vent. Be careful when you do this. Now we're going to let that vent all the way down. Alright, so the vent has vented all the way down. Our plunger has dropped, so we are now safe to take the lid off. Be careful when you take the lid off. A lot of moisture up in here. Set your lid to the side. And now we're going to remove our eggs and place them in our ice. So once you've got all your eggs in your ice water bath, you want to let them sit for about 2 to 3 minutes to cool down. And then after that 3-minute mark, we're going to go ahead and start peeling them. Watch how easy this is. So as you can see, they peel excellent. What I like to do, I just like to tap them around all around the shell, breaks the shell into small pieces, and they peel right off. And you can see I did all 12 of those eggs in a short amount of time. Truth be told, there was only actually 11. I had a little mishap off camera and actually dropped the first egg, so I added that out because it dropped and got smashed. So 11 eggs, but still, you saw how quick that went. So check this out. This is actually how well they cook. I'll take one of these eggs and cut them open, but man, no gashes, the shells just came quickly off. So check out how easy these eggs actually cooked and what they look like on the inside. Like I said, they cook awesome doing this way. And if you don't have a Ninja Foodi, you can also use your regular pressure cooker if you have one, whether it's an Instapot or an off-brand or a Cuisinart or whatever you have. If you have a food pressure cooker, you can do that just as well as you can with the Foodi Ninja. There's a method out there called the 5-5-5 method. Google that, and there's a lot of different things that shows you. This is just how I like to do them in the Ninja Foodi. Again, that's 7 minutes at high pressure, and as soon as that 7 minutes is over, vent it, take them out straight into an ice bath. 3 minutes in the ice bath, then you can start peeling them. So that's all I got for this episode today. Thank you all for joining in. As always, get out there and smoke something. Y'all take care.